Welcome to the BFICoin toss. It's match 11, the last one here in Multan. And I'm pretty sure these two sides are all set to entertain you guys out here. Multan Sultan, Mohammad Rizwan, and welcome to Karachi Kings to Multan with Imad Wasim and the match referee, Mr. Iftikhar Ahmed. You got the toss?
Tails.
Tails is the call. And it is tails.
Bowling.
So Karachi have won the toss, please. What are you going to do?
We're going to bowl first.
Ball first. Tell me, overall, we've seen in the tournament that 80-85% teams that are winning are batting first. Why are the captains still opting to bowl first?
I would prefer batting first. Had we had Mohammad Amir in the team, but I think we would bowl first. We have a good batting side.
Tell us about your team composition changes from the game in Karachi.
Nothing, just a 4 chase. I think we are resting Mohammad Amir because he's been playing consistent cricket. So instead of him, Mohammad Umar comes in. And about the surface, it looks dryish, but I hope underlight it gets on.
You've had some good close games. Results probably haven't gone your way, but you don't want to be left too far behind in the tournament. So important game for the side.
Oh, very important. Every game is important, but now we have nothing to lose. And the game we played against Lahore gave us a lot of confidence. I think we're going to stick to our plan, try to execute our plans, restrict them. They've got a very good batting side and bowling side as well. So hopefully we're going to come hard and win this game.
Well, good luck to Karachi Kings.
Thank you. Good luck.
मोहम्मद रिजवान मैं ये सवाल पूछ रहा था अभी इनसे कि आप भी पहले बॉलिंग ही करते अगर जीतते?
देखिए जी, कोई मायने नहीं रखता इस तरफ जिस तरह क्रिकेट जा रही है, टॉस कोई मैटर नहीं लग रहा. जो अच्छी क्रिकेट खेल रहे हैं उसी का तो रिजल्ट आ रहा है उनके पास.
85% टॉस पहले बैटिंग करके लोग जीत रहे हैं, लेकिन फिर भी बॉलर्स बॉलिंग करना चाहते हैं.
बिल्कुल, मेरे ख्याल से हर टीम जो है ना एक स्ट्रेंथ दे के आती है कि अपोजिशन की स्ट्रेंथ क्या है, क्योंकि मेरे ख्याल से इस पिचेस में कुछ आगे और पीछे कोई डिफिकल्ट नहीं होती. हाँ, अर्ली ऑन है, नो बॉल होता है, 1-2 ओवर का जो पहली इनिंग्स का होता है, मगर उसके बाद हर टीम स्ट्रेंथ को देख के फैसला कर रही है और रिजल्ट को नहीं देख रही है. हम भी तो अगर मेरे ख्याल से डिसीजन उनकी तरफ से अच्छा ही है, हमारा भी होता तो हम भी यही करते, क्योंकि हम टॉस के नहीं देख, रिजल्ट को देखने की कोशिश कर रहे हैं.
टीम अच्छा परफॉर्म कर रही है. एज कप्तान आप क्या ऐसी स्टेज में है कि कुछ एक्सपेरिमेंट कर सकते हैं, तब्दीलियां ला सकते हैं? कैसा 11 खिला रहे हैं आज?
बिल्कुल सेम 11 के साथ हम जा रहे हैं, क्योंकि हमारे पास जब भी ओवरसीज प्लेयर खिलाते हैं तो कॉम्बिनेशन उन्हीं के हिसाब से बनाना पड़ती है. एक्सपेरिमेंट के लिए हमारे पास अभी मैचेस काफ़ी है, मगर ये कि जो ओवरसीज प्लेयर होते हैं उसकी देखते हुए आप टीम बनाते हैं.
चलिए, गुड लक टू यू.
थैंक यू.
Okay, so now we know Karachi Kings have won the toss, and I'm going to head down to Butch. I'm going to ask him that question. I don't know what's going on. The results say something else, but they still want to bowl first.
Sikandar, I'm telling you, I caught a little glimmer of a smile and a grin on the face of Mohammad Rizwan there when he lost that toss, because I think he knew that they were going to stick him in. Multan Sultans have played superbly batting first. Now this pitch shipped 210 runs when Zalmi inserted Multan Sultans 2 or 3 days ago. It looks a little bit drier than that, but it still feels as though there's going to be a little bit of pace and carry in it. One thing that we have seen from these surfaces is when the ball has been pretty new, that it's just held a little bit. So if you bowl well with that new ball, you can make some inroads. What has happened though is that they've got flatter as the innings has gone along. I think it is not going to be 210 this time round, but if you post somewhere near 180 batting first on this, then you should be in very, very fine shape indeed to win. The leg spinners have had a little bit of a say in things as well. Assam Amir has been superb for the home side, and of course the opposition have Imran Tahir in their ranks. So the spinners might well have something to say about it, because it is that little bit drier than it was a few nights ago.